I was able to learn about the whole application of applying for a patent, some technical aspects of that, some nuances, which I'm really grateful for. Also, I was able to learn about the personal journey of Dr. Chow, from being a biologist, a researcher, to now being a patent attorney. She also gave us some advice about networking, about career development, which was really great.
I learned a lot about IP, intellectual property, and particularly about patents and copyright, things to note about it, and then the process, how to defend your intellectual property. Also, I learned about how the importance of family besides pursuing career.
Regarding the most important sharing, I'd say when we were talking about the patents and all, when we went into the technicalities and we actually saw one example of it, the patent by City University of Hong Kong, I found it really interesting because one of the reasons I applied here was that it has the best research facility all over the Asia.
I would like to thank office for their talk for tigers. So I had a couple interesting takeaways from this talk with Dr. Elliot Chow. I learned that it's never late to change your profession.
I want to hear more personal experiences of various CityU alumni because it can tell us, it can show us where we can go, how we can go, and what kind of professional journeys we can pursue.
Chance favors the Ready Tigers!